Hey y'all, so I'm not coming at y'all with food today, but it's something in the same category. I'm gonna try to make it quick, because between vacation, eating like a fool on vacation, then Thanksgiving, it was an all bad situation. So I got this because it's the detox starter pack from TEAMI, and I already tasted this before, and it tastes pretty good to me. Because I live for good. Okay, I'm gonna start talking about bodily functions and stuff now. So if you don't like talking about that, then I'm warning you, it's coming. It's a part of life. Everybody got to do it. It ain't that deep. So I live for a good flush out, clean out now. Because even if you regular, and I'm not a doctor, but even if you are regular, you still got to move. You still got to clean out. You still got to clean yourself out. So, especially if you eat meat, you got to clean that out. It got to go. Okay? So, if you having problems, or even if you're not having problems, because I don't have no problems, but I still have to, I feel like because I eat so much sugar, because I eat a lot of sugar, I eat one meal a day, which I know is not right. I know this ain't right, okay? So I'm not fat because I'm greedy, because I eat one meal a day. I'm fat because outside of that one meal, all I do is pick at sweets. Candy, ice cream, cookie, whatever. So that's why. So in my mind, instead of just not eating it at all or just eating a little bit, I just think that, okay, I can eat it and then I'm gonna flush it out. Okay? That's just me. That's just me. It ain't right, but that's what I do. So I do a lot of I'll eat crazy and then I'll do some juicing or something, because you just cannot eat 100% craziness and think that your body gonna be right. No. So if you're eating these fried foods, sugary foods, high with all the butter and all that stuff, excuse me, you got to balance it with fruits and vegetables. Now I don't like a lot of different vegetables, and even the ones I do like, I make it fattening anyway by putting neck bone and ham hocks and shit in it. But so for me, the easiest way is I just juice it. So all the nutrients, minerals, vitamins I need, I'm getting from the juice. Okay? So aside from that, I do juicing. I do different teas, herbal teas. Herbalife tea is one that I do. I do a lot of ginger tea I make on my own. I do soursop tea from the soursop leaves. Some supplements I take. I take black seed oil. Those are the kind of stuff, because look, I don't like taking medication because it's not good for your liver, and I don't do side effects. I don't like side effects. So I'm one of those people who I do natural stuff. So I may not look like it, but I do, because your girl is, I ain't the bill of health, but I don't have no health issues. How about that? So obviously I'm doing something right. Thank you. So anyway, because people think just because you're fat, you're unhealthy. That is not true. Anyway, back to the TEAMI. So I've tasted this before, and it tastes, with anything, it don't taste, it ain't the bomb, but it tastes good enough for me to drink it. And I'm picky. So the little starter pack thing, and let me say this, I bought this with my own money. TEAMI didn't pay me to sponsor this, which I ain't got no following, no big following anyway. So they probably be like, girl, get out my face. You ain't sponsoring no video from you. I ain't care. I mean, I like it. So I'm gonna go see if I can be an affiliate though. So wait, if y'all listening to this, don't and this influence you to go buy, don't buy it just yet. Wait for a minute and let me see if I can put a link. I'm just joking. Anyways, I bought this little starter pack thing, and it come with the tea cup with the filter, the little strainer thing for the tea, and then they give you the 2 teas. The 2 kind, the colon and the skinny. I guess this one helps you with the bloating and stuff, and this cleans you out. Gives you the clean out colon cleanse thing. So yeah, I tasted the skinny before and it tastes okay. I had to add some honey to it though, but that's what I'm on. I'm gonna be on that. And like I said, I've tried and I do all different kind of detoxes, so I'm well versed on it. But the green smoothie cleanse, y'all, that's a good one that I've done before. I did a 10-day one and I lost 15 pounds in 10 days. Now, if you don't keep it up or keep with the healthy lifestyle, you're gonna gain that weight right on back. But how you know a detox is working is if your poop don't stink. And how you know you need a detox is if when you go to the bathroom, you can, and after you finish, you can clear the whole west wing of your house, because you got to use a whole half a can of Lysol or air freshener. You need a detox. You need to clean out your system, because it's not supposed to smell that bad, you know, because we eat sugar and meat especially, and all that stuff kind of sit in your intestines and your colon and just mingle and just sit right there and become toxic, because it don't want to go. It's happy in there, and that's what makes people sick. So that's why you got to cleanse it out to get it out. And if you ain't cleansing it out, it's just sitting up in there, and that's why you smell like something done dead that you digging up when you go to the bathroom. No, it ain't supposed to be that stink. Now you eating stuff, okay, you gonna smell a little something, but when you yourself in the bathroom and all your nose hairs done singe off from your own smell, you need to go and get you some magnesium citrate. Put them in the refrigerator, get them as cold as you can, get a straw and just suck the whole bottle down. Now, magnesium citrate, that's my partner. That will get you all the way together. I ain't known nobody yet who has taken magnesium citrate and it didn't work. Because some people's system is more stubborn than others. Drink the whole bottle and just don't plan to go no place for that whole day and maybe the next morning. I'm just trying to tell you, I'm trying to help y'all out. Okay? All right. Them other stuff, I don't know, Malox, not Malox. What's the thing? Not Malox. I can't remember. It starts with an M. I can't remember. Whatever the ones they in the white ball with the purple, that don't work for everybody. Some of them laxatives kind of cramp your stomach or whatnot, and we don't want that. Magnesium citrate, that gets you all the way together. So I already let y'all know. I already tried this, but this is good. This TEAMI stuff is good. I just wanted to encourage everybody, after you sit and eat all this foolishness, like me, like I did too, during the holiday season, make sure you go ahead and flush your system out, please. We not wanting to walk in 2020 full of shit. We don't want to walk in 2020 full of it. Let me just say it that way. Excuse the language, okay? We want to go in there with our minds clear, because you know, mental clarity comes from colon cleansing. You know, if you find yourself foggy or you even have headaches, clean your system out. I bet you stop having them headaches. I lied to you not. I do it once a month. I know I'm telling TMI for myself, but if I go past that within that month, if I don't do a cleansing, I don't feel right. It's just like I'm feeling some type of way. You know, I gotta get this stuff out. Me, as much as seafood I eat and meat and chicken and all that, no, that got to come out, because it's remnants left behind in all them. You know how your intestines got all them crevices and them corners and twisting and turning? You ain't gonna tell me some ground beef ain't left up in there someplace, even if you regular. So you have to help it by pushing it out. You need to drink a lot of water. For you soda drinkers, I drink sweet tea. Don't drink the sodas, but I do sweet tea. But you need to constantly drink a lot of water, and you need to flush that system out. So that's it, because this video is getting way too long. But that's the only thing I came for today. You know, just giving y'all a little bit of info, dropping little pearls of wisdom. You know, that's all. So let me get up, go make my tea, and y'all have a great rest of your day.